Hi everyone, welcome to my another After Effects tutorial. Today we are going to look at how to animate a sun in Adobe After Effects. So without any further ado, let's get into the subject. There are two ways before animating we have to create a sun. Either you can create a sun in After Effects directly, or you can create in Adobe Illustrator, then you can import into After Effects. So I am going to show you how to import, how to create and import in Adobe Illustrator. So in this artboard, I'm going to select ellipse tool, then no stroke, fill color, select a suitable color in the color panel. So it's going to be sort of orange. So with holding shift and alt, I'm going to make an ellipse tool. That's all. Creating sun here. File, save as, Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to name it sun in the desktop. Save. Okay, now it's time to switch to After Effects. So I'm going to create a new composition. I'm going to name it as Sun Animation. Then all setup are default, and I select HDTV 1080 29.97 and 10 seconds. Okay. Now import which we created in Adobe Illustrator, sun. Please note that you have to import as composition retain layer sizes, not the default one, footage. You have to select composition, then import. So we already imported sun here, the composition. I open, there is a layer, vector layer. So the first step, right click, create shapes from vector layer. So then you can delete this vector layer. So I'm going to rename by enter key sun. Then duplicate this, creating the layer, Control D. If you are using Mac, Command D. So select a duplicate layer, just bring it down. Then I'm going to scale it up and reduce the opacity of this duplicated layer. So to open the parameters by pressing scale for yes, just open it, and I'm going to make it 120, the second one. Then to open opacity parameter, select the T. When you select the T, the scale parameter automatically disappear. But if you want to keep both parameters, you have to apply with shift key. So the opacity parameter already opened here. So the scale parameter, if I want to open scale parameter together, you have to use shift plus S. So scale and opacity parameters are together, you can see. So opacity, I'm going to reduce it to 40%. Now it is time to apply some effects to this sun tool. So in the effects, just select blur, fast box blur. So click and drag it to sun tool. So the blur radius, make it to 25. Then we are going to apply some noise for this copy sun. So noise, same layer, sun 2. So the amount of noise here, make it 40 percentage. So you can see sort of it's appearing. Now we are going to do we are going to apply for keyframe. We are going to animate the sun now. Now select sun, then scale to open scale. Okay, we are going to apply for animation. To open up scale parameters, select S. So just press the stopwatch. Now 100, then after 1 second, make it 105. Then again 2 seconds, make it to 100. So either you can do it, I just press Ctrl Z to undo that. So either you can do here, or else just copy this keyframe and Ctrl C, then paste Ctrl V. So now, as you can see, we already did the animation. Now what we have to select all these keyframe. We have to ease the keyframe by pressing F9 short key. For right click, keyframe assistant, easy ease, shortcut F9. So now we already created animation up to 2 seconds. To continue this animation up to 10 seconds, we have to apply an expression. So to write an expression, you have to press stopwatch while pressing Alt key. So the expression dialog box. In this, you have to type loop out bracket semicolon. Now press anywhere. So when you see now, it's completely looping every second as per defined by the parameters.